January 24th, 1848. Mom, something extraordinary is happening in California. The paper says James Marshall discovered large pieces of gold in the American River. In just a few days, they pulled over $150 worth of gold out of their sluice. It looks like there could be gold all over California. I've already bought my train to the west. I leave tomorrow. If I could find the same riches for us, we would be set for life. I'll write soon. Your son, Isaac. February 12th, 1848. This journey has been harder than I thought. We got off the train in Memphis, Tennessee, and loaded the wagon. That was 16 days ago. We headed west to Arkansas into the Great Plains. Mom, the horizon stretched for miles. I've never seen anything like it. My heart is filled with the hope of great love for our family, but one thing is for certain. I surely do miss home. With hope, Isaac Miller. again. I can't wait to show you all this gold. With pride, your